Hi everyone, and welcome to Clean Up with Kellie. If you need some pantry organization ideas or motivation to get in there and declutter, then you clicked on the right video. I'm going to show you how I take this and make it somewhat more functional. So if you want to see that, keep on watching. Anytime I need to declutter an area, I start with taking everything out of that space out and onto a counter so I can see what I have and go through everything little by little. Here's a quick look of everything that was in my pantry. I will be sorting that out in a little bit. So before I go through that, I'm going to be spraying down the pantry counters with my Method all-purpose spray in the Honeycrisp apple scent, just to make sure there's no crumbs or anything before I start putting items back. And then I'm going to be vacuuming up as well. Alright, so now the real work begins. I'm going to be taking everything out of the bins and checking the expiration dates on everything and then tossing those that are expired. I also need to wipe the bins as well because sometimes little crumbs get in there, so you'll see me do that. I'm also going to be putting all my chips and crackers into Ziploc bags just so it's easier for us to see and grab and go. All the bins here are from the Dollar Tree. I did have some already, but I did grab a few earlier this week. And I made this little tag from Walmart and a chalkboard pen. So now just on to bagging up all of our chips and crackers and everything. So I had a pretty big stock of these bubblies, and I will probably use these blue bins for canned food in the future, but I just wanted to get all the boxes out of the pantry, so that's why I am using these bins as well as the black bins for all of our cans. So now I'm going to be putting everything back in the pantry. If you're like me, it takes me a couple of times to get everything the way I like it. I usually will rearrange things at least one time until I'm happy with it. But you'll see at the very end what everything looks like, and I'm really happy with the way everything is arranged.
Take a moment right here, feeling like it's out gear, driving towards the sun with a rose and a gun. Feel the wind in my hair, going nowhere I swear, like an outlaw on the run. Dangerous but it's so fun, running, running, no. Hold on, don't let go.
So now I'm just going to be wiping the doors inside and out, make sure all the dust and everything is gone, along with all the smudges from fingerprints around the door handle as well. I picked up these little hooks from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to use it to hang a wreath that I got a few months ago from Hobby Lobby. I thought it was a nice little touch, and now I'm going to show you the finished pantry. It's so much better. I don't have any boxes on the floor. Everything is in the right spot. I'm very happy with this. I hope this video gave you some inspiration to get your pantry organized. It really makes a huge difference, especially when I need to go grocery shopping. I see what I need to buy. If this is your first time to my channel, I hope you consider subscribing, and thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.
What will you do with your life? You know it's hard to survive. A cigar in my mouth, maybe guilty but proud.